Hi everyone, I'm Tira Crawford with TaylorMade Deep Creek Vacations and Sales. Excited to welcome you to my newest listing, 327 North Shore Drive. This gorgeous 5-bedroom, 7-bath home. It offers 120 feet of Deep Creek lakefront and a private dock. On the main level of this stunning home, you're going to find one tremendous master suite, a huge lakefront living area, a dining area that's open to the gourmet kitchen, hardwood and brick floors, custom furniture, and stunning design. In the gourmet kitchen, you're going to find custom cabinetry, custom live edge granite countertops, beautiful commercial appliances, GE profile and monogram, 2 ovens, 2 dishwashers, 2 sinks, and a beautiful stainless steel refrigerator and freezer combo. This spacious main level master suite has a walkout to the lakefront balcony, a gas fireplace, and it's attached to one of the most beautiful bathrooms I have ever seen. The lower level is amazing. We have a gorgeous natural stone wood-burning fireplace, stone floors with radiant heat, a gorgeous wet bar, of course a walkout to the 120 feet of Deep Creek lakefront with a private dock, a master suite, and a gymnasium. The hardwood floors and in-home surround sound continue in the loft level, where you'll find 2 very spacious master suites, a huge rec room with custom cabinetry, and a wet bar. The outdoor space at this home is just as incredible as the interior. The Trex decking is brand new this year. Trex furnishing allows for outdoor eating and enjoyment right by the lake, and you're gonna love the wood fire pizza oven. The lakefront patio is the perfect place to spend a day lounging around. With custom furnishings, a stone floor, hot tub, and surround sound, you're never gonna wanna leave. This listing at 327 North Shore Drive is available for only $470,000. I know that sounds crazy, but what you can purchase is 1/7 deeded ownership of this incredible lakefront home as a fractional estate. Reach out to me for more information today. I would love to explain to you how this works. So many people enjoy this style of living. It's an amazing way to own a second home at Deep Creek Lake.